I don't have no intro, so that's my intro now. By the way, that's my intro. I just say it was good and start the fucking vid. But yeah, today I'm eating like Curry. Y'all seen the video where I ate like LeBron? I actually got the hooping like Brian. I would roll the clip, but I don't feel like it. Too much editing.
You did not get the hooping like that.
Y'all seen the video. I was hooping like Brian out there. So today I'm eating like Curry. And I started off. I guess Curry started out his day with a smoothie from Ayesha Curry. I don't know Ayesha Curry, so I just go to Tropical Smoothie. Got me a little smoothie. I got a peanut butter paradise. It don't, bro. It didn't say what he drinks, so I got what I drink, bro. It's still a smoothie to start the day, bro. Ain't that? It's still a smoothie though, right? So that shit good, bro. You said avocado toast, but like, where am I gonna get avocado toast, bro? Honestly, bro, I ain't Steph Curry, bro. For real. Like, I'm eating like Curry, but I'm still a nigga, bro. Come on.
Still a nigga. You gotta edit that.
I'm editing it out.
You gotta get the nigga part.
But I guess it's my breakfast. The Quan, I ain't eating no breakfast, clearly. Nigga about to be out there hooping like fucking, I don't even know. Tony Snell.
All the way until we hoop.
Yes. Unless you want to go stream.
I'm streaming Uber.
Yeah, so buckle up, nigga. You fucking up my shit. Put your seatbelt on, boy. If I have to do that to you. Yeah, this is my breakfast, y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all when it's lunchtime. Me and the Quan about to listen. I'm about to have this fit on for 2 videos because I'm doing 2 videos today. Don't think I'm sticky, boy. All right, y'all. I just finished my tropical smoothie. Ain't nothing left. I'm starving, bro. Honestly, for that to be my breakfast, bro, that ain't nothing, bro. I'm still hungry. Bro. I'm starving, bro. So I need to eat something else. I need to eat lunch or something. But I don't. They say he only eat like a peanut butter and jelly for lunch if he got like games and stuff. Like, gosh, Curry, why you eating like that, bro? That's probably why you so petite. You gotta eat more, bro. Like LeBron, he woke up and had a amazing breakfast, bro. Curry wake up and drink a smoothie and call it a day. Like, I'm still hungry, bro. I'm starving, bro. So I guess I'm about to get a PB&J from somewhere or make one. I don't know, but look like I'm about to eat my lunch. Like, for like, it's only been like an hour. So, and I'm getting my lunch already. So, yeah, I'm about to eat my lunch in a minute. But I finished the smoothie bust. Like, it's good and all. Like, Curry, the foods you eat is good. But, come on, dude. Let's just make it a little bit more fulfilling. Gosh. What's good, y'all? I'm back in Dooley House. I went to that little room that I found, because he on stream right now. I'm about to go in there and play Among Us with him. But I went to that little room that I found while I was hiding in here, and I got me another meal. I told you I was hungry. I got me a chicken shawarma from Blue Crest, because Curry say you eat like chicken. A chicken shawarma, bro. That's the most chicken you gonna get. I got no bed. Whatever, bro. I'm starving, so I'm dogging this chicken shawarma. Amazing. phone talking about it's on 20% like I care. Man. I know I'm about to hoop like Curry today. Oh! Why did the chicken sandwich just start defolding, bro? Got chicken all on the floor. Alright, y'all, I just finished eating. I'm about to go chill for a minute, then go to the gym and eat my last meal, bro. Swear my head, bro. That's really like the only meal I ate, and it's like 5 o'clock. So I'm about to go eat at like, whoa. I'm about to go eat. I'm about to go hoop at like 8. Then I'm gonna eat dinner after I get done hooping. And I'm gonna get back with y'all after that. But I'm about to go hop on the corner stream real quick, so I'll be back. Alright, y'all. Just got in the gym. About to get some buckets. About to set the camera up and show y'all. Hold on. That's one.
Yes, yes, yes. I really thought that was straight out his hand. He had the grip on that dude, though. I know the easily, nigga. You know, automatically, nigga. The way you caught that bitch on the back, you fly. So he had
All right, y'all. I gotta film this video quick, but I just got done hooping. This is actually one of the worst hoop performances I've ever. I never played this bad in my life. You can ask everybody there. This is the worst I've ever played. So when I eat like LeBron, I play good. I eat like Curry, I play bad. I think we know who the GOAT is, bro. Officially, bro. We know who the GOAT is. But I got my dinner. It's some Alfredo. I guess Curry eats pasta for dinner. That's what I've heard. That's the rumors. So I'm eating pasta. My phone on 6, so whenever my phone died, video I'm trying to get this workout. Goddamn, I got it. But yeah, bro. LeBron is officially the GOAT. I never played this bad in my life, bro. Then I pull out this move. Like, I don't know if it was the weak breakfast, who eats a smoothie for breakfast, bro? Like, I don't know what it was, but I played terrible today. Y'all gonna see in the video. So yeah. Alfredo a little mid too. Curry, I'm done with you, bro. I'm done. Today been Curry, get your stuff together, bro. Food mid. I played terrible. I'm officially a LeBron fan after this. Officially a LeBron fan after this, but I'm going to the house. My phone about to die. But yeah, that was the Curry challenge, bro. LeBron is the GOAT, officially. Boom, 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 boom.